Good morning, folks. It's Jay again in front of you, and today I'm going to deal with the prose lesson, The Dying Detective. It's for 10th standard children, and I'm going to deal with the in-text question and answers. Let's go ahead and check what about the question and answers, and that's the in-text question and answers and the lesson Dying Detective, the 7th lesson. Wait for it. Well, the first question here in the lesson, in the 7th lesson, Dying Detective, that's the in-text question is, how did Watson feel when he heard of Holmes' illness? The answer is, Watson felt horrified when he heard of Holmes' illness. The second question is, why didn't the landlady call the doctor? Holmes did not let the landlady call the doctor. The third question, what was the condition of Holmes when Watson saw him? The answer is, Holmes had high fever. He laid listless. Fourth question, according to Holmes, what was the disease he was suffering from? According to Holmes, he was suffering from black pharmacia plague. The next question, who did Watson see when he entered the room? When he entered the room, Watson saw a frail man with bald head sitting. The next one, what were the instructions given by Holmes to Watson? Watson should go and fetch Smith only after 6. Watson should persuade Smith to come, but return before him. The next question, why did Holmes plead with Smith? Holmes pleaded with Smith to cure him from plague. The next question is, who was responsible for Victor Savage's death? What was the evidence for it? The answer is, Smith was responsible for Victor Savage's death. The ivory box was the evidence for it. The next question, what explanation did Holmes give for speaking rudely to Watson? Holmes wanted Watson to get Smith there. That's why he spoke rudely. The last one, how was Holmes able to look sick? The answer is, Holmes fasted for 3 days and used some makeup to look sick. I hope you all did listen to it, and these are the in-text question and answers from the lesson, The Dying Detective, prose. And so I hope it'll be of immense use for you all. The students who are going to write the public exam, the 10th standard children. So with this in mind, I want to tell Tada bye bye. God bless everybody. See you next time.